Welcome. If you want to install iPhone keyboard on your Nokia G20, you have to open the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. We are going to use this application from Arvin Apps. Right now you can open it. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK for the 2 times, then go back, click to switch input methods and tap on the English keyboard, then tap finish. And take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed and right now it looks very close to the iOS theme. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.